I get it. We all see these red dots saying there's an update available. Many times we ignore them, we put them off, but this one we really need to pay attention to. It fixes a problem called a zero-day exploit. And while that may sound like something out of a spy movie, it's very real. A zero-day vulnerability is a flaw in software that hackers discover before the company does. It's called zero-day because the company has 0 days to fix it before the bad guys start exploiting it. In other words, they're already doing it. This week, Apple released an emergency security update to patch one of those flaws. Think of it as a hidden backdoor that even Apple didn't know was there. Hackers found it first. In highly targeted attacks, that kind of access can allow someone to read messages, view photos, track location, access contacts, even install spyware, and turn on the camera and microphone. Here's the important part. Most zero-day attacks are used against specific high-profile targets. But once the vulnerability becomes public, others will try to copy it. So don't ignore this update. If it's available to you, install it. Turn on automatic updates so security patches install overnight. They are often more important than any new features we see in iOS updates. This applies to iPhones, iPads, Macs, Apple Watch, Apple TV, even the Vision Pro. In short, if it has an Apple logo on it, look for that update. Hackers count on people tapping "Remind me later." That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.